8th chapter, differential equations. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2B, part 19. Last part completed, impounded linear differential equation introduction completed. 2 marks problem also we completed in this linear differential equation. Today class explained 4 marks problem in linear differential equation, 2 parts. This problem is first problem. Solve the following differential equations: 1 plus x square whole divided by dx plus y is equal to e power tan inverse x. This is very important repeated problem. This problem, first of all, you have to take equation 1. What is the condition? dy by dx coefficient is always equal to 1. But here 1 plus x square is there. That's why totally divided with 1 plus x square. In equation 1, dividing on both sides, 1 plus x square, you get fractions. 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus y whole by 1 plus x square is equal to e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Both sides divided. After the separated numerator, 1 plus x square into dy by dx whole by 1 plus x square plus y by 1 plus x square is equal to e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Still see students, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square get cancelled. dy by dx plus this can be written as 1 by 1 plus x square into y. Understood or not? 1 by 1 plus x square nothing but y by 1 plus x square. That is equal to e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Suppose this is equation number 2. In equation 2, comparing with standard form of the linear differential equation dy by dx form. dy by dx plus py is equal to q. dy by dx plus py equal to q. What is the value of p? P value is 1 by 1 plus x square. Q value is e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Understood or not? Here you can find a solution. Solve the equation but you can find solution. So first you can find the solution before you can find the integration factor. What is the integration factor formula? E power integral p dx in the form of dy by dx. What is the value of p? We know that p value if equal to e power integral p value 1 by 1 plus x square. What is the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square? What is the integration, students? First you can read and write integration formulas perfectly. You get easily understood in this model problems. Integration factor e power tan inverse x. E power tan inverse x. After that you can get solution formula. What is the formula of solution? Y into if is equal to integral q into if into all dx plus c. This is the formula of solution of in this differential equation. In this solution, you know that all values y nothing but y, if nothing but you can write e power tan inverse x is equal to integral q nothing but e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square into if nothing but e power tan inverse x, if nothing but e power tan inverse x into dx plus c you can write last after integration completed. That's why you can write first LHS part is unchanged, LHS part you can write similar. E power tan inverse x into e power tan inverse x you can write e power tan inverse x all square by 1 plus x square into dx. This can be written as e power 2 into tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx. E power tan inverse x whole square nothing but e power 2 into tan inverse x. This is the which value? Y into e power tan inverse x value. Put tan inverse x is equal to t. Put tan inverse x is equal to t. Then what is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to t. In this equation, suppose we have to write this is equation 3. In this equation 3, you can write tan inverse x value is t. 1 by 1 plus x square nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square value dx value is dt. That's why you can write 3 implies y into e power tan inverse x nothing but t is equal to integral e power 2 into tan inverse x values t. Here 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is there, that value you can write dt. Understood? After that y into e power t is equal to, what is the integration of e power x integration e power x? E power x integration e power x by a. E power 2t integration with respect to t, e power 2t by t plus c. Understood or not? E power 2t by 2. Here a value e power ax by a. Nothing but e power 2t by 2 plus c. What is the value of t? Y into e power tan inverse x is equal to e power 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. This is the solution of the given differential equation. This is a very important repeated problem in internet public examination, 4 marks. This IF completed, this is 2 marks. Remaining 2 marks, this formula having 1 mark. Remaining you can solve the total answer. Remaining 1 mark, total 4 marks in internet public examination. Next problem is dy by dx plus y into tan x is equal to sin x. This is the linear equation. This dy by dx quotient is 1 is there, that's why you cannot change this differential equation. This differential equation you have to write dy by dx plus this can be as tan x into y is equal to sin x. You have to write this is equation 1. In equation 1 directly comparing with standard form. Comparing with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. What is the value of p? P value is tan x, q value is sin x. This is the q value. Direct form is there. After that, integration factor formula e power integral p dx, e power integral p value what here? Tan x dx. Tan x integration, what students? Tan x integration log of mod of secant x. Base here base, if base both are cancelled, remaining mod secant x, thus can be managed with the secant x. This is the integration factor completed. Next you can write solution. What is the solution formula? Y into if is equal to integral q into if into all dx plus c. This is the formula of the solution of the dy by dx plus py equal to q linear differential equation. In this solution you can write all values. Y into if value is sin x is equal to integral q value is sin x into if value is secant x into dx. You can write integral sin x. What is the secant x? Nothing but 1 by cos. Understood or not? 1 by cos into 1 by cos x into dx. Integral sin by cos, you can write tan x. What is the integration of tan x? What is the integration of tan x? Tan x integration is log of mod of secant x plus c. This is the solution of the given differential equation. What is the solution? In this equation, dy by dx plus y into tan x is equal to sin x. In this differential equation, solution is y into secant x is equal to log of mod of secant x plus c. This is also the repeated problem in internet public examination. This linear differential equation problems are very easy. Just to do converted to form dy by dx form or dx by dy form. After that you can find p and q. After that you can find if. After that you can write solution. This way is very important. Dead easy. Just to you can read and write integration formulas perfectly. You get easily understood in this model problems. Today assignment problems are homework problems. These are problems, some hint is given. You can do that remaining similar model of the previous problems. This is very easy. First one, dy by dx plus y into tan x is equal to cos cube x. Here p value is tan x, q value is cos cube x. You can take this is formula if integral e power integral p dx p value is tan x. Integral tan x nothing but log of secant x. Log base e both are cancelled. You get if is secant x. if is what here? Secant x. You can write solution. If value is secant x, q value is cos q x. After that you get integration. See students, this practice homework problems you get practice, you get easily understood this total linear differential equation model problems. Second one, 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus y is equal to tan inverse x. Here dy by dx coefficient is not equal to 1. That's why you can write total divided into 1 plus x square. You get what? dy by dx plus y by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Total divided here p value is what here? 1 by 1 plus x square is the p value. Q value is what here? Tan inverse x by 1 plus x square is the q value. Here if nothing but you can write e power p dx. Here e power p value is 1 by 1 plus x square. You can write e power tan inverse x is the answer. That is if. The integration factor you can write what is the solution? This one is solution is y into if is equal to integral q into if all dx plus c. Y into if value equal to tan plus x. Here q value is tan plus x by 1 plus x square. Next if value is e power tan plus x. You can write put t is equal to tan inverse x. Previous problem model, first problem explained that model you can use. Here by using integration by parts method you get total answer. Understood or not? After that next one is here dy by dx plus p. Direct form is there. P value is 4x by 1 plus x square and q value is 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. See students, if what here? If equal to e power integral p dx, e power integral p value is 4x by 1 plus x square into dx. This derivative numerator is there. Denominator derivative numerator is there or not? Check. One derivative is 0, x square derivative 2x, but here 4x is there. 1 to get common, reveal what students? 1 to get common, 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. This one is completed. After that, you can write if equal to e power 2 into this derivative, denominator derivative having numerator. Integral f dash x by f of x. What is the formula? Log 1 plus x square. This 2 goes to a power 2. After that we can write e power log 1 plus x square whole square. Here base is there. This base both cancel. You get if value is 1 plus x square whole square. This is if. In this solution you can write if value is 1 plus x square whole square. Q value is 1 by 1 plus x whole square, 1 plus x square whole square, 1 plus x square whole square cancel, you get 1 dx nothing but x. Understood or not? Every problem hint is given. Understood or not? Every problem hint is given. You can use this hint, total problem you can solve. This is the third one hint. Fourth one, here x is there. dy by dx quotient x is there. X is not equal to 1. That's why you can total divided with x. You get dy by dx plus 2y by x is equal to log x by x. This can you can as dy by dx plus 2 by x into y is equal to log x by x. This one is q, this one is p. By you can write if. What is the if formula? E power integral p dx, e power integral p value 2 by x dx. You can common to integral 1 by x dx. What is the integration of 1 by x? Log x. E power 2 log x. Here this 2 goes to here power. That's why you can write e power log x square base e. This base e both are cancelled. Remaining you get if value is x square. if coming. In this if value substituted in solution, y into if value is x square. Integral q value is log x by x into x square. Here log x by x into x square. 1x cancel. X into log x. This x into log x you can use which method, students? Integration by parts method. This is u, this is v. You can write integration by parts method. You get the total answer. Understood or not? This 4 example problem, some hint is given. You can use this in total problem. You can solve. You can answer check test book in mathematics to be.